The MB5X series pendulum roller will represent the latest technology in grinding machinery industry. With excellent design and selected material, it enjoys the best performance and reliability ever. For the first time in China, the automatic oil lubrication system has been adopted in its main shaft and roller assembly. Comparing with traditional grease lubricant, it avoids frequent manual refueling, simplifies the operation and lowers the maintenance cost. Besides, the new type hanging cage classifier has smaller resistance, lower power consumption, and higher protection than traditional blade classifier. It opts shovel tube-free cavity, which allows more air and less resistance. Together with the bigger roller, this design improves the efficiency of MB5X series pendulum roller mill to an all-time level. MB5X series pendulum roller mill also has a delicate curve and attractive appearance, which has been tested by finite element dynamic simulation software. Inside the machine, all stiffeners are set reasonably, pursuing the balance between strength, safety, and weight. At the same time, with CNC automatic blanking and cutting, its cutting surface is smooth and flawless. The hole's location is more accurate than manually as well. MB5X series pendulum roller mill, based on exquisite workmanship and design, has much lower maintenance and operation cost, less dust emission, and a superior quality product. It is perfectly suitable for the non-flammable and non-explosive minerals, with ammo edges hardness below 7 and moisture below 6%.